Jason Heffner with Heffner Performance Incorporated. We're here out at FL2K doing the DCT class. Like to get some drag racing in with the Huracan and the Audi R8 program. So behind me, I've got our shop car, 2017 Audi R8. It's got Precision 6466s with our Heffner Performance twin turbo system, our own Heffner Performance intake manifold, transmission software, transmission upgrades. We've got a 2015 Huracan that we recently put together, actually just got done a couple days before the race. And then we've got two 2018 Performantes that we brought out that have been recently built. We're having a great weekend so far. I just ran my best CT in the R8 on 20-inch radials. The car ran an 848 at 168 miles an hour. You know, for a nice driver street car, the thing gets it really good. It's probably the best car I've ever had. You know, drives everywhere, goes fast, works well. The Performantes, I believe they've both been 850s. We'll work on getting those a little quicker throughout the weekend. The 2015 car, we just got that together, just kind of working through working the bugs out of a new build. So we'll see how it goes by the end of the weekend. But my R8 is a stock engine, so stock engine internals. So I have that car turned up to somewhere around 1,400 horsepower to the wheels to trap 168. I don't really spend a lot of the time. I don't spend a lot of time on the dyno. So I feel like a lot of people are disappointed when they ask how much power it makes, and I don't know. I can just tell you how fast it is. But you know, for that car to trap 168, it would have to make somewhere in the neighborhood of 1,400 to the tires. And with the stock engine internals, you know, you're walking a tightrope. You know, you can't go too crazy with it. Which, I mean, not that 168 is not crazy on a stock engine car. This car is running on pump E85. We've got a Motec M142 engine management system on the car that we tune in-house. And the car works just like a stock car. It's flex fuel, it could be E85, you know, E98, you know, anything in between pump gas and E100. It'll automatically compensate for fueling changes. It'll adjust the timing, the boost, the ignition timing. So I try to put something together to hand over to customers that it works simply. You know, I don't need customers having to connect a laptop to a car. I just want to make it all happen automatically, and it's really doing a good job. The car has the stop transmission case. We've upgraded the internals with Dodson Motorsports gear set, Dodson Motorsports clutch. We are working with Unitronic in Canada for transmission software. Those guys have been doing a great job. But it's always, you know, it's an eventual process. You know, we just chip away at it a little bit at a time. And but you know, it's going well, and we're having fun.